Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are revising things at home and doing your homework carefully and regularly. So, let's start with your exercise 1.5. In your exercise 1.5, we are having international place value chart and the Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart we had already discussed in the previous exercises, that in the Indian place value chart we are having ones, thousands and the lakhs period. And under ones period we are having the places ones, tens, hundreds, and under thousands we are having thousands and the 10,000s, and under lakhs we are having lakhs and the 10 lakhs. So I think this is very much clear to you. The Indian system is clear to you because we had done so many questions based on this system. Clear? Now the international place value chart. In the international place value chart, the periods that we are having are ones, thousands and the millions. Okay, what are the periods? Ones, thousands and the millions. Clear? Under ones we are having the places ones, tens, hundreds. Under thousands we are having thousands, 10,000s and the 100,000s. And under millions we are having millions, 10 millions and the 100 millions. Is it clear? What are the places and periods in your international system? Ones, thousands, millions are the periods, and the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions and the 100 millions. Just compare these two charts. See them carefully. Okay. So in the international system, after 10,000 we are having one more place, that is your 100,000, and after 100,000s we are not having lakhs and the 10 lakhs. We are starting with millions, 10 millions and going to 100 millions. Clear? So this difference should be clear to you for solving the questions. So now take an example. Let the number is 64587,675. We have to write this number as per your international system of the numeration. Clear? So we are managing the places as per your international place value chart. So it is ones, tens, hundreds. Compare with your place value chart it also. Hundreds, then your thousands, yes, then 10,000s, then your 100,000s, then your millions and then your 10 millions. Clear? So number to be taken is 64,587,675. Again I am repeating, 64,587,675. Clear? Good. Now move towards your exercise 1.5. What is there in the question number 1? Read the following numbers in Indian place value chart and also in words. So what you have to do? You have to write the numbers as per your Indian system of numeration. Clear? So the number given to you is 325047. You have to write this number as per your Indian system of numeration. So just to put the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s and the lakhs. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and the lakhs. I think you are now far efficient in putting the places of the Indian system of numeration. You are not having any difficulty regarding this system. Clear? So number to be taken is 3,25,047. 3,25,000 at the 100 place we are not having nothing. 47. 3,25,047. Clear? Good. Now move towards the D part. In the D part we are having the number 147,8965. Okay. So mark the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs and the 10 lakhs. So the number to be taken is 14 lakh. Clear? 14 lakh 78,965. Clear? 14,78,965. Finding it interesting? Very good. Now, the next question number 2. You have to write the number in International System of Numeration. So, see here. The number given to us are 652,105. Now, see here carefully. You have to write the number in which system? You have to write the number as per your International System of Numeration. Clear? So, in International System of Numeration, first of all, start from here. Mark the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Stop here. Now you are working with international system. So after 10,000, lakhs will not be coming. What will be coming? 100,000. Be careful in doing this system, because after 10,000, lakhs will not be coming in international. What will be coming? 100,000. So be careful. So number to be read is 652,104. 652,104. 652,104. Clear? Let's take the C part of the same question. What we are having? We are having the number as 602583. Again, we are writing it as International System of Numeration. So, as per your International System of Numeration, first of all, mark the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and the 100,000s. I think now you are careful in doing all these things. Clear? So, it will be read as 600, 2,583. Clear? It will be read as 600, 2,583. Okay, so we had discussed two systems. Today, Indian system, though we already know, we had discussed about international place value chart. So, at last, I'm again going to discuss it. We are having the periods ones, thousands, millions. And under ones, we are having ones, tens, hundreds. Under thousands, we are having 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 places. And under billion, we are having millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So, as per this place value chart, you have to write the number name of the given number. Clear? So, just go through with the video 1, 2, 3 times if you are not understanding the concept, and do your homework carefully. Clear? Thank you.